Okay, what is up? I'm an American living in Slovenia, and this is basically a day or a night or an evening in my life. We're going to an event with the US Embassy today. We're going to Križanke, which is an outdoor concert venue. I literally don't know what we're doing. It's an independent celebration for the US, I believe, so it should be special. The US just got a new ambassador. I don't know if she'll be there, but maybe we'll get to meet her. We are going now to the center. We're gonna park. Afterwards, we're gonna see what the food situation looks like at the event. If there's no food there, then we're gonna go out to eat afterwards. But if not, there's a surprise in store. So, yeah, let's go to Križanke. By the way, if you can hear the air, forgive us. It is hot outside and hot in the car. By the way, I get this question all the time. Why is she always driving? Why is she always driving? Let me just go ahead and answer the question. So in the US, basically everybody drives manual cars. I mean, automatic cars, not manual cars. And here in Slovenia, everybody drives manual, pretty much. I mean, they do have automatic, but a lot of people drive manual, more than 50%. And that's just not something that we drive in the US. So, I don't know how to drive manual, and my license isn't fit to drive manual. Therefore, I can't drive this car in Slovenia, which means she's always driving. Trust me, I wish I could drive. When we visit the US, I will be driving, and I did last year too. So anyways, just to answer that question shortly and simply, but now we're gonna continue on to the event. Let's go. Let's go.
There's so many people here. We thought it was gonna be like probably 50 people here, but it's around 1,000. It's more than 1,000.
Probably.
It's 1,000. It's insane. Like, it's overwhelming. My armpits are wet. Okay.
It's so hot here. It's so hot.
Trying to survive, and also we don't have alcohol. So we're trying to find some water.
Let's go. It's crazy. Like, we didn't expect this. There are so many people here. It's a bit overwhelming. We don't know what to do. We don't know who to meet. We don't know where to walk. We don't know anything. So we're just here. We're just enjoying.
It's so many people in groups here. We already met quite a few people, and it's pretty overwhelming.
Yeah.
We've seen some people that we know, and it's really nice because they're great people, so we're really happy about that.
We're in for a fun night because there's a speech from the new ambassador from Americans and Slovenia, and then after there's a World Cup match.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Viewing,
That's
so.
gonna be like after party.
Yeah.
It's gonna be watching the game.
There's an after party.
It's crazy.
So
I just got goosebumps.
goosebumps.
Yeah. No, it's crazy. It's great. Also, like, they have a lot of food options, but I'm scared because every time, you know, when you eat public or any event, social event, you eat and then you meet someone and they have something either on my lips or on my teeth, and I'm like,
We're gonna go find the food because I want to eat something. There's a shrimp in there.
Is it?
It's like a fried noodle with the shrimp.
That looks very nice. This is all the people, by the way.
Huge crab. Sandwich with salmon. Yeah.
salmon sandwich.
Salmon sandwich. Guess I'll try this.
Oh, that looks nice.
There's some fancy smanchy stuff right there. So this is a US Embassy. This is a US Embassy. And the ambassador's on the way. This is a live taste test. First item. What is that? I don't know. Let's go. It's like a spicy cream cheese with a pecan on top. That was delicious.
Which is very American.
Next thing, caviar. Some smetana. Oh,
kind of looks like a,
Like a
small, like a small pancake,
Yeah, yeah.
kind of.
What does that remind me of?
Oh, Jezershuk is a really known restaurant.
Really?
Yeah.
Distinguished guests, the ceremony will begin in just a moment.
Are we gonna speed this up?
Roberts. Thank you. Hvala lijepa.
Thank you, Ambassador, ladies and gentlemen.
Hvala, kraljevi klub se konkretno krepi pred novo sezono, sicer pa v začetni postavi portugalske tudi tričlanskega prvaka. Naprej Araujo, šele 6. nastop za Araujo v majici portugalske reprezentance. Spredaj seveda bo čakal na svojo priložnost reprezentančnega nogometa, pa je s Portugalsko leta 2016 osvojil evropsko prvenstvo, leta 2019 in 2025 do uspeha in potisnili tekmeca na njegovo stran igrišča. Igra zdaj na Cristiana Ronalda, Ronaldo in podaja na desno, Cancelo. Kapitan 229. nastop za portugalsko Cristiana Ronalda, zelo je 143 zadetkov za zbrano vrsto, poleg na svetovnem prvenstvu.
Game's on. It's crazy. We met so many amazing people. Like really, everyone's been so friendly. It's been really cool. Really cool. Next is dinner. Where are we going? Where are we going? Mystery.
No.
I'll figure it out. Yes.
There's so many people that know where it is. And it's crazy. Like, it blows our mind.
Yeah, it feels crazy. Everyone's so nice too. Like, it's really a blessing to meet so many nice people. Thank you for saying hi and being so genuine and kind. Everyone, yeah. We appreciate it. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? You're not even there.
We're watching the game.
Kinda. We just left the event. We're gonna get something to eat, and then we're gonna go back.
Yeah, we're not done yet.
We're not done yet. It's really a beautiful night. I'm about to flip it around and show you. You go first. Yazbim Shunka in. Ne? Yes. Will you please look at the size of that slice? I mean, that is ridiculous.
It's like the biggest slice ever. Whole dinner.
holding on. Oh, we got the band warming up. We got the backstage view. Concert coming up. Beautiful sunset. Look at that. Wow. Dobrotek. We just left the event. We met so many amazing people. Seriously, like, we're blown away. My voice is literally gone.
It's gone.
I didn't have a single drink of alcohol or anything. It's simply because I was trying to talk to people. The music was loud, so that made it harder. But we were talking to people and taking pictures and everything. Like,
It's crazy. We met, like, it's hard to explain, but I didn't expect to meet really anyone, to be honest, except for one person who invited us here, basically.
yeah.
But we met so many people.
It was amazing. We really had a nice time. And yeah, shout out to that event. Shout out to Jeremy for the invite.
Jeremy,
Shout out
you're
Jeremy.
great.
And to all the people we met. Thanks for
Yeah.
saying hi. So anyways, we will hopefully see you in the next video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.